Alright, kahle ngichanje vele ngingahlehli. One, ngikhuluma namandebele abantu bakithi abathi bazonda amashona. Two, ngikhuluma namashona akithi athi bazonda amandebele. Listen very careful, bangani bami. This is totally wrong. When I was listening to Ezra Chisa Sibanda yesterday, ngento yenzakala eRussia ngabantu abamnyama, it's where you can see ukuthi we do not have unity. It's where you can see ukuthi Africa isabukiselwa phansi, although how come singaze sibe strong njani, but strength is said to us exist as long kune division. Ngibe sengikhuluma nabantu laba abathi ama foreigner abuyele eZimbabwe gibo ababiza abantu ngamazayizayi. Take a look people, iAfrica imoshakele asibambananga. Yesterday when I was listening into yenzakala eRussia, ukuthi abantu abeAfrica bathathwayo besiwa eRussia babafaka ku front line, belwe nama drone, understand, belwe ne system, belwe ne computer, understand, but we keep on fighting each other. Unity yadingakala guys, we need to embrace unity. Whatever the past, we need to talk about it. I don't refuse, but let's not bury it. Let's be united. Thiwa mangabe kuhanjiwe empini kwabulawa abantu abelungu abamhlophe ondlebe sikhanyilanga labantu abamnyama, thiwa isidumbu imzimba yabantu abamnyama efileyo ayidotshwe encwatsho ihlala compana reckless. Ama Africans ahambile eRussia bethi badinga amadlela aluhlaza, they have been treated very bad, aba recognized as abantu. Umuntu omnyama alimale egangeni ahanjiswe esibhedlela, mayiphuma esibhedlela akhutshwe futhi empini engakapholi engakabi heal. Njalo umuntu omnyama is not a priority. Babathumela phambili ku front line 2 ukuthi drone mayibuya ibula lebona bona sebe targeta drone ukuthi kuyiphi side. They are using a black person, but find out a black person hitting a black person. Find out an African disowning an African treating bad another African. What is this? Yini enzakala emakhandeni kahle kahle? Yini, what is happening? Can't we see that we still need each other? Can't you see that we have to recognize each other? Guys, we need to fight for unity. We need to fight for unity. Ukraine, they are treating the same abantu abase Africa. In Russia, they are treating the same abantu abase Africa. Give us inferiority. We are nothing. Gibo, we have things to be used. Omunyuti izinja ze Russia must treat her better far than a black person. Come with me in the journey of unity. Stop this thing, barbaric system. Africa setting and I guys be free. As long we are not united, I guys be free. We need to be united. We need to speak of unity. We need to speak of one common. We need to speak with one voice. You are from when, whatever, which country in Africa, it does not work. What we need is the system. We are being sold out. There is this guy, agent, Twangu. They said was a case, Enatish. The guy who otaisa abantu base Africa, otaisa abantu bagiti. Ebasa Russia is having a good life lapakon. But what about unity? Unity can stop this thing. Unity can change us. Think guys, ancabange inkinga yethu thina silwela into esenyaweni zethu. We don't look ukuthi phambili kunani ngemva kwethu kunani. Abanye lilwa nje ningama content creators nifaka ibad influence ebantini. Umuntu engazizwa ebone nabalandeli abayi4 o umlandelo yedwa usedinga into yokuthi abantu abangela ngqondo bemsupport. Wonke umuntu osupporta i-division e-Africa, I declare and I say, akana ngqondo. Isiphukuphuku leso. Imagine, iZimbabwe, you are still fighting to build iZimbabwe. Umuntu afike ethi Shona lo Thuvi, afike ethi Ndebele lo Thuvi. That is papariki system. You need to stop this issue, guys. You need to stop this thing. You need to stop this nonsense. That is a nonsense. Yes, I'm Mthwakazeni, but born in Zimbabwe. Ukuba ngumthwakazi lokho ngeke ngufihle, but I am a Zimbabwean. I'm the man of my word. Futhi ngeke ngixolise, ngeke ngishirike back loba lingambiza ngamagama, loba lingangithreatena because kukhona okunye okuyizinkukhunyana nje okuyizikhukhukazi ongamadoda ohlala kunithreatena ukuthi la kumbona khona kuzombulala. Mina mbulawa yinkukhu mina. I'm eating with lions. Mina ngidla namabhubesi, I'm a lion. Abantu abanengqondo abadefend Africa. Look at abantu abamnyama abathithwa njani eRussia and Ukraine. Look at it. Now abafowethu they are crying, they want to come back home. Sebekubonile. I believe mabe fike ekhaya bazabona ukuthi thina ama-Africa siyadingana. They have seen it. Yezwa omunye ekukhamisa umlomo ethi amaNdebele ahambe bemanengi khona ngale so mangabe sebuya abuye setrenile eselokho esetrenile ese strong ukuthi singalwisa amashona. How will we fight Shonas? How will we fight my brother? How will you fight my fellow African men? That is bullshit. La mashona manje amaNdebele anozwithisa. Listen, that is bullshit. Ngezwa okunye ngamashona kuqoke igara lezanu PF kuthi amaNdebele afuna uqumilizwe this and this. We are not like Mzilikazi. Ulobhengu lwadayisa ilizwe ngechukela. Where were you Mutapa edayisa abanye bakhe as a slavery? You need to stop this nonsense of division. You need to stop this bullshit. We need to speak one accord. We need to be united as Africans. We need to come together and speak in one voice. For how long shall we be mistreated by abantu abamhlophe? And then for how long shall we treat each other like inferiority? Come on, guys, man. Kulani, man. Ilizwe lidatshulwane ngubani ongadabuli Africa? Ngubani ongadabuli Zimbabwe? Tell me, because there are people who are like us who will disturb this mission yabo. I'm the one of them who's going to disturb what is separated because I'm fighting for unity. When you are using the blank and blind. I have to cough it out. Guys, you are blank and blind. We need unity. World War III is around the corner. You don't see it. But imali izizuzumbana zemali. What we know, vele Africans, they love money. Batata basiwa Russia, batata basiwa Ukraine. But now they are being mistreated. They are being undermined. They are being rejected. How will you feel? Manje sikhuluma kanje abantwana igazi lethu abafowethu abanye bethu bafile abangcwatshwanga because they are blacks. Russia kuthiwa abantu abamnyama bangcwatshwa. I was listening to the audio. Please, if you think that I'm lying, go to Facebook page ka Ezra Chisa. Uzwe ngendlebe zakho omunye umntwana ekhuluma eseRussia. Ebekhulume nomunye ophuke unyawo. Osuke esibhedlela kodwa kuthiwa kusasa uya empini ukuyolwa nama-drone. They are in pain abantwana. But we still keep on fighting. Yeah, abahambe. Yeah, amaZimbabweni. Yeah, amaNigeria. Yeah, amashona. Yeah, amaNdebele. Nonsense. We need to speak in one language. We need to fix Africa, not our own countries. Not our own race. We need to come back to our sense and think like people, not like dogs fighting for a bone. Silweli tambo, ipalapala likona. That is the fact. I won't change. I won't retreat. I have spoken. I don't fear. Ngiyindoda.